Ooh, awesome, mini sprints. Like the footballers train. Tack, 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 like that. Brilliant. Worked with a confined space. Excellent sprinting alternative. You don't have a hill, steps, or a long. This is great for long sprints, but I can't do that. Don't forget, I have a titanium knee in here. This is metal. I can still do all this shit because I'm strong. Carnivore. Strong, outside, inside. It's the way to go, guys. Exercise naturally, using your body as your gym, and eat meat for a stronger heartbeat. That's right. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye-bye. Have a bit of the animal crawl strength training moves. Now you gotta be strong. This isn't pleasant on the hands, but it's good. This is where you gotta be tough. Nature boy. And again. That is it. You crawl like an animal on all fours. You work out your whole body. Arms, chest, shoulders, back, legs, core, crazy. Great way to build the muscle and mind strength, guys. Try the animal crawl. All kinds of great things you can do. Sideways, starting, fast, slow, staying down. Awesome stuff. RossHealthBridge.com. See you soon.